A vlog.
Coming up against another big team this week.
I'll fetch my sister. I'm cheerleading. And then we're going home. I'm a bad vlogger these days. I'm a Vlad vlogger. What's up, you guys? So, I don't know, this vlog has been very, weird. Like, I forgot to vlog some stuff and all that stuff. So when I compile it, I don't really know if I'm gonna have enough footage, but there's still quite a bit of this week left. I just forgot to vlog on Tuesday, but I did get something in. So I thought I'd include like a quick sped through kind of like makeup tutorial because I am going to the mall, so I'm gonna do my makeup really quickly, and I'm not filming it because I'm on a little bit of a time crunch, so I'm just gonna do my makeup really quickly and have you watch, and I'll probably speed it up just so that this video is not heaps and heaps long. I'm wearing today. These shoes, I just put them on when I got home. I was actually wearing pumps, but they have like straps and stuff, so they were a little uncomfortable to wear at home. But this is what I'm wearing. It's just like a cutesy dress and the belt, and that's the side. And then these are like pantyhose type tights from Woolies, and that's the back. And my face is beat too. I don't know if you can see. So there we go. There's gloss lines, but that's fine. That's my makeup, face, beat. I think it's the first time I'm putting on makeup this whole week because I've been so tired. But yeah, there's my beat. I know, I'm obsessed. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm editing a vlog right now. I'm gonna get back to that. What's up, vlog? It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Someone's gonna comment asking where I come from, and I come from South Africa, but I say Tuesday instead of Tuesday, and it's gonna be this big thing where I say I come from South Africa. No one believes me, but whatever. It's Tuesday, whatever you want to call it. And in the last vlog, I told you about the guy at the gym, the really, really yummy one. I can't remember how I described him in the last video, but really, really yummy, long hair, like long, luscious blonde locks. And I told you guys that I wanted to talk to him. And I chickened out at the gym. So then when I went back to the post office, which is at the gym, it's like right next to the gym, I saw him again. So it was the second time he was going to the gym, and I saw him again. I'm like, that's a sign I need to talk to him. And then on, I think Thursday, I chickened out. I was gonna go talk to him, but then I got nervous and walked away. So today's Tuesday. My tonsils are better, by the way. I'm sorry. I know I ended the vlog, I was like miserable, but clearly they're better. They're healing really nicely. I'm touching my neck like you can see, but whatever. And I just went to the gym, right? So I was there from 7:30. Okay, yeah, 7:30. I was there from 7:30, and my swim class started at 9, but I wanted to get some laps and like casual swimming in before the class. So I did that, and then I did the class. And when I walked out, I saw him there, and I was just about to go home. I was about to go up the stairs, and I saw him, and he was alone, like he gyms alone, and he was standing there, and I'm like, I need to go talk to him, but I didn't move. My legs did not move. So I called my friend Hope, because she amps you up, like she's like my hype man. So I called her up, and I told her that I'm literally staring at him. He's right in front of me, and I don't want to go say hi to him because I'm so scared. And she was like, do it. And she like forced me. She's like, stop it, just do it. Get out of your head and do it. And then he came closer to me, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to do it. And I hung up really quickly, and I went up to him, and I spoke to him, and he's so nice, you guys. He's so nice. I have photos. I'll insert one maybe, like right here in this space. And then I'll put a one of him maybe. I don't know, but he's so hot. He's so hot, you guys. Like, I'm dying. So I told him that I think he's really, really sexy. He just Instagrammed. He just DM'd me on Instagram. Like, I'm legit talking to you right now, and he just DM'd me on Instagram. Like, I'm dying. Honestly, I'm dying. So I spoke to him, I took photos with him, and sent it to my girls because I told him that I told my girls about him, and I told them how hot he was, and I was just like swooning, and I told him, and we took photos, and then he told me to tag him on Instagram, and I followed him on Instagram, and then I got his number, gave him my number, and yeah, I know, like I didn't have the balls before I called Hope, and then I was like, it's now or never, do or die. So I spoke to him and I got his number first, so I'm gonna speak to him again, and I'm so happy, you guys. Like, do you see the smile? So I posted the picture on my WhatsApp. I have a tripod, I swear. If this is shaky, I'm sorry, but the tripod's in the car. I know, stupid. Anyway, I posted the picture on my WhatsApp status, and the caption was, "I'm done, we're married." And everyone's like, what? He's so hot. And everyone's like, oh my gosh. And then Bali said if I don't marry him, she'll marry him. So, you know, my bed's not done. And it's like 11. No shame. Actually, it's 10 plus 12. No shame at all. My bed's not done. I'm human. I'm skipping school. But that's because of my tonsils. But anyway, I just spoke to him. He just DM'd me. I'm gonna check the DM, and I won't get back to him now because I don't want to seem desperate, like I'm waiting around for him. But he's so hot and he's so nice, you guys. He's so nice. He's so nice. I just had the best experience ever. So yeah, that's my story. It's Tuesday. I sound better. I feel better. Still a little nasally, but all in all, I feel really good. And especially after that, I feel amazing.